Did you know that some of the world's wealthiest people started with buy and hold real estate? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build long-term wealth through buy and hold real estate investing, even if you're a beginner. Stick around for my top strategies that can help you create passive income and financial freedom for life. Hey there, I'm Belinda, and welcome back to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, this channel is all about making personal finance and investing simple and achievable for everyone. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly tips. Today, we're diving into buy and hold real estate, a proven strategy that generates steady cash flow, appreciates over time, and can set you up for long-term financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear game plan to get started. Let's jump in. 1. What is buy and hold real estate? First, let's talk about what buy and hold real estate actually means. Buy and hold is simple. You purchase a property, rent it out, and hold on to it for years, even decades, while it generates income and appreciates in value. It's one of the safest and most reliable ways to grow wealth over time. Cash flow. You earn monthly rental income from tenants. Appreciation. The property value increases over the years. Tax advantages. You get benefits like mortgage interest deductions and depreciation. Leverage. You can use a small down payment to control a large asset. This strategy is perfect for anyone looking to build wealth steadily over time without the risks of flipping or speculation. 2. How to choose the right property. Not all properties are created equal. To succeed in buy and hold investing, choosing the right property is crucial. Here's what you should look for. Location, location, location. Focus on areas with strong job growth, population growth, and access to amenities like schools and shopping centers. 2. Cash flow potential. Use the 1% rule. The monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. 3. Market trends. Invest in neighborhoods where property values are rising steadily, but avoid overpriced hot markets. Condition of the property. Buy properties in good condition or those that require minimal repairs to get rented. Doing this research up front can save you from major headaches down the road. Remember, your property is an investment, not an emotional purchase. 3. Financing your buy and hold investment. Now, let's talk about how to finance your buy and hold investment. Here are a few beginner-friendly options. Conventional loans. Require a 20% down payment but offer low interest rates. 2. FHA loans. You can start with as little as 3.5% down if you live in one unit of a multifamily property. 3. House hacking. Buy a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. 4. Private lending. Partner with investors or use private funds to buy properties. 5. BRRRR strategy. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Use equity to fund your next property. The key here is to start with what you can afford. Don't over-leverage yourself, but remember that real estate gives you the unique advantage of building wealth with other people's money. 4. How to maximize cash flow. Once you've purchased your property, maximizing cash flow is critical. Here's how. Set competitive rent. Use tools like Zillow or Rentometer to find the sweet spot for rent in your area. Minimize expenses. Negotiate with contractors, maintain the property regularly, and screen tenants carefully to reduce turnover. Self-manage versus property manager. If you're starting out, managing your property yourself can save costs. As your portfolio grows, consider hiring a property manager. Tax advantages. Take advantage of deductions like depreciation, repairs, and mortgage interest to lower your tax bill. Even small changes in rent or expenses can make a big difference in your cash flow, so always keep an eye on the numbers. 5. Long-term wealth building. Here's where the magic of buy and hold investing happens. Long-term wealth building. Over time, your property does 3 amazing things. Pays for itself. Your tenants pay down the mortgage for you. 2. Increases in value. Properties generally appreciate 3 to 5% annually, depending on your market. 3. Creates equity. As you pay off the mortgage, you build equity you can use to refinance or sell for a profit. Patience is key. Buy and hold real estate is not about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich steadily. Key takeaways. To recap, here's how you can build wealth with buy and hold real estate. Learn the basics and understand the benefits. 2. Choose the right property in the right location. 3. Use smart financing strategies to make the purchase. 4. Maximize your cash flow with competitive rents and smart expenses. 5. Think long-term. Let your property grow in value while paying for itself. Buy and hold investing is one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom, and the best part? Anyone can do it with the right mindset and plan. Are you ready to take the first step? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more real estate tips. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to start your buy and hold journey or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.